The Deputy President, who was in Western Kishu for the burial of Nicholas Bett, the 2015 Beijing 400 meters hurdle world champion, said the government was committed to the development of sporting activities in the country. Ruto warning managers who are exploiting athletes that they will not have their way once the government enacts a sporting policy currently in the works. The aim of the policy, he said, is to manage the affairs of athletes to ensure that they invest well and lead better lives even after retirement.
We are particularly grateful as government to our disciplined forces for nurturing talent in the young officers, young people of our nation, and creating champions whom we celebrate as a country.
The government, the DP said, is keen to ensure that all athletes benefit from the National Hospital Insurance Fund like the rest of Kenyans. He said every financial year the government set aside 1.5 billion to reward the best performing sports, and that a law was recently passed to ensure a fee is raised through betting activities to fund sports such as building stadiums as well as taking care of the welfare of sportsmen and sportswomen. Ruto said President Uhuru Kenyatta recently directed that 100 slots in all discipline forces be set aside in every recruitment exercise to benefit sportsmen and women in the country, terming it an opportunity for young people to nurture their talents in the sector.
And that directive has already been given to the discipline forces by the President so that we can provide opportunity for more people, more young people, to nurture their talent and create more champions for our nation.
That Bet has died a hero. And Bet, we shall celebrate you as Kenyans, even in death.
Tumempoteza officer of integrity, an officer who was determined to serve his country, an officer who was considerate to his superiors and his subordinates, and an officer who was liked equally by his superiors and subordinates because of his humility.
Sisi tunaungana kusema pole na kutambua sifa ambazo mkimbiaji huyu pamoja na wanariadha wenzake wameletea taifa la Kenya.
Tunaweza prevent a lot of deaths on our road if we can also ensure that we have proper signages on our roads so that road users are able to be advised. Na sisi pia kama raia tunapoendesha magari zetu katika barabara, let us be cautious so that we are able to avoid some of these things.
He added that the family of the late Bet will benefit from a 2 million shillings insurance cover that was introduced by the government in 2013 and another 2 million shillings for a bursary fund kit for his children. The leaders present eulogized Bet as a great athlete who put Kenya on the athletics world map.